In this quick video, I'll show you how to replace the internal battery in your Chevy Malibu key fob. Replacing your battery at home is very easy to do, and it will take you under 5 minutes from start to finish. The only things you'll need to get it done are a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. If you don't know where to get one of those batteries, or you'd just like to get one online anyway, go ahead and check out the link in the description. That link will take you over to Amazon, where you can find this particular battery for just a few dollars. Now, with this key fob here, what we're calling the premium Chevy Malibu key fob, there is a 5-button version as well as the 4-button version that you see here. It doesn't matter which one you have, as long as it has kind of this silver band around here, and it's for the 2016 to 2021 Malibu. You can follow this video, and the process is going to be the same, and the battery inside is the same as well, regardless of how many buttons you have. Now, getting right into the process, the first thing we want to do is find the silver button on the left side of the device. Go ahead and hold that down while you pull out the internal key. Now, we're going to use this key to pry off the back section of plastic, and how we're going to do that by inserting it back into the keyhole, but just a short distance, just to about there. If you go in too far, you will not be able to pry this off. It's actually held under a piece of plastic inside. What we want is for it to be stuck in just a little bit, just about that much. Let me show you really quickly. That's all we're doing. We're just prying to get this thing opened up. Let me show you how if the key goes in too far, it will be locked in place, and no matter how much you pry, the back will not come off. So quickly, I will show you once more. In the keyhole, you'll find that it locks in kind of a position like this, at this little angle, kind of stuck in there. And you can look very closely at the seam in the plastic, and if you start bending or prying, and you can see that it is opening up, you are good to go. You're not locked into that piece of plastic, and from here you can just pop it open, just like that. Push the back off, and now we have access to the battery. From here, the easiest thing to do is just grab your flathead screwdriver. All we want to do is get under the battery. Any tool that can kind of help you to pry the battery out like that will do. Maybe you have another key lying around, or even a pen or pencil, but we just get under the battery and pull it up. Once you have your battery free, you can dispose of your old battery. Make sure your new battery, again, is a 2032 battery. And when you're putting it in, you want to make sure that this positive side that has the text and the plus sign on it is going face down. So we'll line it up face down. You can just snap it into place. Snap it into place so that it sits down in there nicely. And all we need to do now is reattach the two halves of the device. So just set one on top of the other and squeeze. And you can just put your key in there, and with that, you are all finished. I hope that was helpful for you, and if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comments or by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, we've got you covered on this YouTube channel with videos for the devices of pretty much every maker model out there. And you can also get that information directly over at our website, fobbattery.com.